A gradual change in a community following a disturbance. Ecological succession. Ecological succession is the natural process where ecosystems recover and develop after a disturbance, like a fallen tree or a fire. Imagine you've just moved into a new home and the space is bare and empty. This is a bit like ecological succession, where a natural community gradually changes and rebuilds after a disturbance, such as a forest fire or hurricane. Just as you start by bringing in essential furniture and gradually add decorations, plants, and personal touches to make the house feel like home, a disturbed ecosystem begins with pioneer species like grasses and small plants, eventually developing into a complex community with trees, animals, and diverse plant life. Both scenarios involve a process of gradual change and development, building up from a simple state to a more complex and stable environment.